Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Next topic is application of quadratic equation. Now let us see how to solve practice set 2.6. First question is product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Let us consider. Let Pragati's present age be x years and 2 years ago and her age 2 years ago was x minus 2 years and her age after 3 years will be x plus 3 years. Therefore, from the given condition, x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now solve it. Second bracket multiply by x, then second bracket multiply by minus 2. Therefore x into second bracket minus 2 into second bracket is equal to 84. Now the second bracket is x plus 3. Simply open the bracket. The first bracket multiply by x and the second bracket is multiply by minus 2. Solve it. X into x, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2 into plus 3 we get minus 6. Now 84 shifting to the left hand side we get minus 84 is equal to 0. Solve it. We get x square. Now the like terms are plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 6 minus 84 we get minus 90 is equal to 0. Now look at the equation carefully. It is in the form of quadratic equation. Now the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant number is minus 90. Therefore let us do the rough work. 1 into minus 90 we get minus 90. Now the factors of minus 90 such that their sum is 1. Let us take two numbers 10 and 9. Now here product is with negative number. One number should be negative. Therefore look at sum. Now here sum is positive. Therefore the greater number must be positive and the smaller one is negative. Now split the middle term. We get here x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now making two group, take out the common here. X is common. Now the remaining is x plus 10. Here minus 9 is common. Now the remaining one is x plus negative is common. Therefore positive sign here. Now the factors of 90 are 9 into 10. Now we take the 9 common here. Remaining one is 10 is equal to 0. Now look at the bracket. It is common. Take it outside. X plus 10. Now the first bracket is common. Remaining in the second bracket x and here minus 9 is equal to 0. Either first bracket is 0 means x plus 10 is equal to 0 or second one is 0 means x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to minus 10, and here we get value of x is equal to 9. But the age cannot be negative. Write down here, but the age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9. Now write down the answer here. Pragati's present age is 9 years. Now, the next question is, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now here, let us two consecutive even natural numbers, let the two consecutive even natural numbers be x, and second one is x plus 2. Now, sum of square of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Therefore, from the given condition, now make the equation here. Sum of square of means square of x square plus x plus 2 whole square, which is equal to 244. Now solve it. X square. Now apply the identity here, a plus b whole square. It can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore write here x square plus 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 square means 4. Now plus 244 shifting to the left hand side, we get minus 244 is equal to 0. Now x square plus x square, both are like terms. Solve it. 1 plus 1, 2. X square plus 4x. Now look at the numbers here. Plus 4 minus 244. We get here minus 240 is equal to 0. Look at the equation carefully. Here 2, 4, 244. Therefore dividing both sides by 2. Now we get here x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant number is minus 120. Therefore, let us do the rough work. Product is minus 120 and here sum is 2. Now, let us factorize minus 120 in two numbers such that their sum is 2. Now let us take 12 and 10. Now here product is with negative and the sum is positive. Therefore the greater number must be positive and the smaller one is negative. Therefore split the middle terms. We get here x square plus 12x minus 10 minus 120 is equal to 0. Now making two group, take out common here, x is common, write down x plus 12 inside the bracket. Now here minus 10 is common and x, now take out minus sign, remaining one is plus 12 is equal to 0. Here brackets are common, take it outside, x plus 12. Now here x plus 12 is common, remaining one is x. Here minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we get 2 bracket is equal to 0. Either first bracket is equal to 0 or second one is equal to 0. Therefore we get value of x is equal to minus 12 or value of x is equal to 10. Now minus 12 is not a natural number, but natural number cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 12. It is not acceptable. Therefore the natural number is x is equal to 10. It is the first natural number and second natural number is x plus 2. Substituting the value here, x plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore write down the answer here. The required two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Now next question is, in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flow chart. Now the first box is number of trees in a column is x. Let us consider solution. Let the number of trees in each column is equal to x and the number of trees in each row now here the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Therefore we can write here x plus 5. Therefore the total number of trees row into column. Therefore we can write here x into x plus 5. The total number of trees is given here 150 orange trees. Therefore from the given condition x into x plus 5 is equal to 150. Now open the bracket here, we get x square plus 5x. Now plus 150, shifting to the left hand side, we get minus 150 is equal to 0. Now here we get the equation in the form of quadratic equation. Let us solve it by doing rough work. Now here product is coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into minus 150 we get minus 150, and sum is coefficient of middle term which is equal to 5. Now factorize 150 into two numbers such that their sum is 5. Let us take two numbers are 15 and 10. Now 10 into 15 we get 115, but the product here is negative, therefore one number should be negative. Now it is positive, therefore greater number must be positive and the smaller one is negative. Now split the middle term, we get here x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Making two group, take out common here, x is common, remaining one is x plus 15. Now in the second group we take minus 10 common. Now remaining one is x, minus is common, plus. Now 150, factors of 150 are 10 into 15. Take out 10 common, remaining is 15 is equal to 0. Now look at the bracket here, it is common, take it outside, x plus 15, first bracket, and the second bracket contain x, here it contain minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore either first bracket is equal to 0 or second one is equal to 0, means x minus 10 is equal to 0. Find out the value of x here, minus 15, or second one is x is equal to 10, but the number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 15 is unacceptable. Unacceptable. Therefore value of x is equal to 10, and it is number of trees in each column x and the number of trees in each row which is equal to x plus 5. Therefore we get here 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15. Therefore write down the answer. The number of trees in each column is 10, and the number of trees in each row is 15. Now look at the flow chart here. Number of trees in a column is x. Number of trees in row we get here x plus 5. Write down here x plus 5. Now total number of trees. Total number of trees means x into x plus 5. Now the second, frame quadratic equation. Now we get the quadratic equation here, x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now the next one is find x. Now the value of x is equal to 10. Next, number of trees in column. Number of trees in column is 10. And number of trees in a row which is equal to 15. Now next question is Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. Now the solution is, let us consider present age of Kishore, sum be x years, and the present age of Vivek. Now read the first sentence. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Therefore, the present age of Vivek is x plus 5 years. Now, the sum of reciprocals of their ages is 1/6, and the reciprocals of Kishore age is 1/x, and that of Vivek age is 1/x plus 5. Now from the given condition, sum is given. Sum is 1/6. Therefore, we can write here 1/x plus 1/x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Now, take the LCM here. X into x plus 5. Cross multiply. X plus 5 plus x is equal to 1/6. Now x plus x, we get here 2x plus 5 upon, open the bracket, x square plus 5x is equal to 1/6. Now cross multiply here, we get x square plus 5x is equal to 6 into 2x plus 5. Therefore, x square plus 5x is equal to 12x plus 30. Now taking all the terms to the left hand side, we get here x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now solve it. X square plus 5x minus 12x, both are like terms, minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we get a quadratic equation here. Doing rough work. Now here coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant number is minus 30. Therefore product is minus 30 and the sum is minus 7. Now factorize 30 into two numbers such that their sum is minus 7. Now let us take two numbers 10 and 3. Now 10 into 3 is equal to 30, but the product with negative sign, therefore one number should be negative. Now look at the sum. Sum is negative, therefore the greater number must be negative and the next one is positive. Now split the middle term. We get here x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0, making two group. Take out common here. X, remaining one is x minus 10. In the second group, 3 is common and remaining one is x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now look at the bracket here, take it common, x minus 10 and the remaining are x, and here plus 3 is equal to 0. Either first bracket is equal to 0, we can write here x minus 10 is equal to 0, or the second one x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the value of x is equal to 10, or value of x is equal to minus 3. Now, but the age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 10. It is the present age of Kishore, and present age of Vivek is x plus 5. Substituting the value, we get here 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now write down the answer here. Therefore, the present ages of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. Now, next question is, Suyash scored 10 marks more than in second test than that in the first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. Now, let us see how to solve it. Solution. Let us consider that Suyash scored marks in the first unit test. Is equal to x, and he scored marks in the second unit test is equal to 10 marks more. Therefore, we can write here x plus 10. Now, 5 times the marks score of the second unit test is the same as square of the score in the first unit test. Therefore, now from the given condition, we can write here 5 times the score of the second test means 5 into x plus 10 is same as square of the score in the first test means x square. Therefore, now open the bracket, multiply each and every terms inside the bracket by 5. We get 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. Now it can be written as x square is equal to 5x plus 50. Now shifting all the terms to left hand side, we get x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now we get here a quadratic equation. Now in this equation, product is 1 into minus 50. Therefore we get minus 50. And sum is coefficient of middle term, which is equal to minus 5. Now factorize 50 into two numbers such that their sum is minus 5. Therefore Let us take two number 10 and 5. 10 into 5 is equal to 50, but the product with negative number, therefore one number should be negative. Now look at middle term, sum is negative, therefore the greater number is negative and the other one is positive. Now the next step is split middle term into new numbers. X square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Take out common, to group x minus 10. Now here plus 5 is common, remaining one is 5x minus 10, which is equal to 0. Look at the bracket here. Take out common bracket x minus 10. Now the remaining one is here x. In the second one plus 5 is equal to 0. Either first bracket is 0 or the second one is 0, means we can write here x minus 10 is equal to 0, or second one is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to 10 here, and second one the value of x is equal to minus 5. Now but the marks cannot be negative. Write down here, but the marks cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 is unacceptable. Therefore the value of x is equal to 10. Now write down the answer here. Therefore Suyar scored 10 marks in the first unit test. Now next question is, Mr. Kasim runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. Now let Kasim makes X earthen pots per day. And the cost of each earthen pots is, now here, rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots. Therefore we can write here rupees 10x plus 40. Now from the given condition, now production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. It is given. Therefore x into 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. Now open the bracket, multiply each and every terms inside the bracket by x. We get 10x square plus 40x. Now Plus 600 shifting to the left hand side, we get minus 600 is equal to 0. Now look at the equation carefully. It contains 10, 40 and 600. Therefore dividing by 10, we get here x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Let us do rough work. Product is 1 into minus 60 means minus 60 and the sum is 4. Let us take two numbers 10 and 6. Now 10 into 6 is equal to 60, but the product with negative sign. Therefore one number should be negative. Now look at the sum. Sum is positive, therefore greater number must be positive and the next one, second number is negative. Now split the middle term. We get here x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now making two group, take out common here. X is common, remaining one is x plus 10. Now here minus 6 is common, x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now take out bracket common, x plus 10 and the second bracket contains x minus 6 is equal to 0. Either first bracket is 0, therefore we can write here x plus 10 is equal to 0, or second one is 0 means x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now the value of x is equal to minus 10, or second value x is equal to 6. But the number of earthen pots cannot be negative. Write down here, but the number of earthen pots cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 10. It is unacceptable. Therefore the value of x is equal to 6. Therefore write down the cost of each earthen pot is equal to 10x plus 40. Substituting the value of x here, we get 10 into 6 plus 40, which is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. Therefore write down the answer here. He makes 6 earthen pots per day and the cost of each earthen pot is rupees 100. Next question is, Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. Simply diagram, rough diagram here. Now speed of water current from left to right. Here it is the boat and the speed of boat in still water is 12 km. It is given 12 km. Now let us consider speed of water current is x. Now here it is downstream. Therefore, the speed of boat in downstream is 12 plus x. Here x is less than 12. And Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Means travel from this to this and return this one. Now it is upstream. Therefore, the speed of boat is 12 minus x. Now, read the question again. Pratik takes 8 hours. Now, the time is given here. Time taken 8 hours, 36 km. It is the distance. Now, we know that the formula time is equal to distance upon speed. Now write down the answer. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. It is given. Let us consider the speed of water current is x km per hour. Here x is less than 12. Therefore, the speed of boat downstream (12 plus x) and the speed of boat upstream in upstream 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Here also kilometer per hour in downstream and in upstream. Now from the given condition, now total time taken is 8 hours. Therefore, distance upon speed 12 plus x. Distance upon speed in upstream 12 minus x is equal to total time is 8. Now solve it. Now take out the 36 common. Remaining one is 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Now 36 left hand side, shifting it to the right hand side. Now solve the bracket. Take the LCM here, 12 plus x and 12 minus x. Now cross multiply 12 minus x plus 12 plus x, which is equal to 8 upon 36. Now cancel it. 4 2 the 4 9 the. Now here plus x minus x both are cancelled. Now 12 plus 12 we get 24 upon. Now here it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. It can be written as a square minus b square. Therefore write here 12 square minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. Now it can be written as, cross multiply here, 24 into 9 is equal to 2 into 144 minus x square. Therefore, now 2 is shifting to the left hand side. We get 24 into 9 upon 2 is equal to 144 minus x square. Now solve it again. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now 12 into 9, 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. Now minus x square shifting to the left hand side. We get here plus x square is equal to 144 minus 108. Therefore, x is equal to 144 minus 108. We get here 36. Now taking square root. Taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus square root of 36. Therefore, value of x is equal to plus 6 and value of x is equal to minus 6. But the speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Now write down the answer here. The speed of the water current is six kilometer per hour. Now the next question is, Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Now let us consider, let Nishu take x days to complete the work. And Pintu takes x plus 6 more than x plus 6 days to complete the same work. In one day, therefore, in one day, Nishu does 1 upon x part of the work, and Pintu does x plus 6. Therefore, in one day, 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. In one day, they together do now 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 part of the work. Therefore, from the given condition, Now Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish in 4 days. Therefore 1 upon x plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. Now solve it. Take the LCM here. X into x plus 6. Now cross multiply. X plus 6 plus x is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore x plus x 2x plus 6 upon, now open the bracket, we get x square plus 6x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now cross multiply here. X square plus 6x is equal to 4 into 2x plus 6. Therefore x square plus 6x is equal to, now open the bracket here, 4 into 2 8x plus 4 6 24. Now shifting all the terms left hand side, we get x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now x square, it is like term, solid, plus 6x minus 8x we get minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. Doing rough work. Here product is 1 into minus 24 and the sum is minus 2. Now factorize minus 24 into two numbers such that their sum is minus 2. Let us take 6 and 4. Now 6 into 4 24, but the sign is negative, product with negative sign. Therefore one number should be negative. Now look at here, sum, it is negative, therefore greater number must be negative and the other one is positive. Now split the middle term, we get here x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now making two proof, take out common here, x into x minus 6 and plus here 4 is common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now the bracket is same here, take out bracket common, x minus 6 and the second bracket is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now either first bracket is 0, x minus 6 is equal to 0, or second one is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to 6, or second value, the value of x is equal to minus 4. But the number of days cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 4. Therefore x, the value of x is equal to 6. It is Nishu take x days to complete the work and Pintu takes x plus 6. Therefore x plus 6 is equal to, substituting the value of x here, 6 plus 6. Now we get here 12 days. Now write down the answer here. Therefore Nishu takes 6 days and Pintu takes 12 days to complete the work alone or individually. Now the next question is, if 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Now here let us consider, let the divisor x and the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, means we can write here 5x plus 6. Now we know that since dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, from the given condition, now here dividend means 460 is divided, therefore dividend is 460 is equal to divisor x into quotient is 5x plus 6 and plus, now remainder here is 1. Now solve it. 460 is equal to, now open the bracket, multiply each and every term inside the bracket by x, we get 5x square plus x into 6x plus 1. Now it can be written as 5x square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 460. Now 460 shifting to left hand side, we get 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equal to 0. Now we get here 5x square plus 6x. Now 1 minus 460 we get minus 459 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Here the value of a is 5 and the constant number c is minus 459. Let us do rough work here. Now the product is 5 into minus 459. Therefore we can write here 5 into minus. Now factors of 459 can be written as 9 into 5, 9 5s are and 9 1s are. Now here 5 and 9, 14. Now here it is the product and sum is 6. Now take two numbers such that their product is multiplication of this one and sum is 6. Now 9 5s are 45, therefore we can write here 45 and 51. Product is negative, one number should be negative. Now look at the sum here, sum is positive, therefore greater number is positive and the smaller one is negative. Therefore we get the numbers minus 45 and 51. Now split the term, middle term, we get 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 459 is equal to 0. Now making two group, take out common here, x 5 and 45, therefore 5 is common and x is also common. Remaining one, x minus 5, 9s are 9. Now here plus 51 is common. The factors of 459 can be written as 9 into 51. Now take out common here, 51, therefore remaining are x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now look at the same bracket, take out common, x minus 9 and the second bracket is 5x plus 51. Either first bracket is equal to 0 or second bracket means 5x 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9 or 5x is equal to minus 51. Therefore, x is equal to minus 51 upon 5. But natural number cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 upon 5 is unacceptable. Therefore, the value of x means divisor is 9 and the quotient is 5x plus 6. Solve it. 5 into 9 plus 6. We get 5 9s are 45 plus 6, which is equal to 51. Therefore, write down the answer here. The quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. Now, next question is, in the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. AB and CD both are parallel and its area is 33 centimeter square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. Now here, look at the figure carefully. The value of AB x and length of CD is 2x plus 1. Here AD and BC are x minus 2 and the length of AM is x minus 4. Therefore, the solution is quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, the formula area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into AB plus CD. AB plus CD into perpendicular length means AM. Therefore, write down here AM. Now, substituting the value, area is given which is equal to 33. 33 is equal to 1 upon 2 into AB. Now, value of AB is x. Write down here x plus CD. Now, the CD is 2x plus 1 into AM. Now, the value of AM is x minus 4. Now, the next step, box is equal to 3x plus 1. Now, 3x plus 2x we get here 3x plus 1 into. Now, here 33, 2 is shifting to the left hand side. We get 33 into 2 means 66 is equal to 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. Now, after this, we get quadratic equation 3x square plus this one. Now, by doing the rough work here, 66 is equal to 3x plus 1 and second bracket is x minus 4. Now, second bracket multiply by 3x and the second bracket is multiply by 1. We get here 66 is equal to 3x into x minus 4 and plus 1 into x minus 4. Now, solve it. 66 is equal to, now open the bracket here, 3x into x, 3x square minus 3 4s are 12x. Now, plus 1x minus 4. Therefore, 66 is equal to 3x square. Now, both are like terms. Minus 12x plus 1x we get minus 11x minus 4. Therefore, it can be written as 3x square minus 11x minus 4 is equal to 66. Now 66 shifting to the left hand side, we get 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66 we get minus 70 equal to 0. Now here the quadratic equation is 3x square minus 11x minus 70. Now write down here 3x square minus 11x. Now here minus sign is given, minus 70 is equal to 0. Now here split the middle terms and find out factors. Now here product is 3 into minus 70, which is equal to minus 210. Now the two numbers, find out two numbers such that their sum is middle terms. Middle terms means minus 11. Therefore, two numbers we take here 21 and 10. Now 21 into 10 we get 210, but here sign is negative. Therefore, one number should be negative. Now look at the sum here. It is negative. Therefore, greater number must be negative and the smaller one is positive. Therefore, we get here 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 equal to 0. Now the two numbers we get here minus 21x plus 10x. Therefore, we can write here 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. Now take out 3x common here. We get x minus 3 7s are 21, 7. Here plus 10 is common. Therefore, x minus 10 7s are. Now look at the same bracket. We get here 3x plus 10 and the second bracket is x minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 upon 3. Or second bracket is x minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 7. But length is never negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 10 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Now, the value of AB. Now, value of AB is equal to x. Therefore, it is 7. CD is equal to 2 into x. 2 into 7 plus 1. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 1 means 15. It is the value of CD. And AD and BC both are equal. Now, the value of AD, x minus 2, x is 7, 7 minus 2 means 5, and BC is equal to x minus 2 means 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Now the value of AB is equal to 7 centimeter and value of CD is equal to 15 centimeter and AD is equal to BC, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Allah Hafiz.